बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल है आप सबका? उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 10 बायोकेमिस्ट्री in which we discuss carbohydrates, protein and lipids. Table of content are definition of biochemistry, carbohydrates, in which we further discuss monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Then we shall discuss protein and then lipids. First of all, we discuss definition of biochemistry. Biochemistry basically is a branch of chemistry in which we study about different macromolecules like carbohydrates, protein, lipids, nucleic acid and vitamins. These macromolecules are easily synthesized by living organisms from a simple molecule present in our environment, or these macromolecules are very essential for our health, for our body, because they provide energy. Example of biochemistry: as you all know, carbohydrates present in rice and in different products. Carbohydrate we eat provide us energy. Lipids are major source of energy. They are stored in our body to provide emergency energy supplies. They help us to work during tough time. अगर हमने लिपिड्स वगैरह इनटेक किए होंगे तो हम काफ़ी देर तक बगैर कुछ खाए पिए इजीली सरवाइव कर सकते हैं। वो इसलिए कर सकते हैं क्योंकि जो हमारे अंदर पहले ही स्टोर्ड लिपिड्स थे वो हमें हेल्प करेंगे सरवाइव करने में। जैसे कि कहते हैं कि सुबह टाइम हमें अच्छा नाश्ता करना चाहिए, हमें मतलब लिपिड्स फैट्स लेने चाहिए, ऑयली चीज़ मतलब पराठा वगैरह खा लेना चाहिए, जिसकी वजह से आप दिन में देर तक आपको भूख नहीं लगती। लेकिन अगर आप उसकी जगह ही आप ब्रेड ले लेते हैं तो उससे आपको जल्दी भूख लग जाएगी। वो इसी वजह से होगा क्योंकि आपने नाश्ते में कोई लिपिड्स वगैरह नहीं इनटेक की होंगी। देन प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं मील मीट में और दालों में और इस तरह की चीज़ों में। प्रोटीन नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइड अस एनर्जी, दे हेल्प अस टू स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय फॉर्मिंग न्यू बोन्स एंड मस्कुलर टिश्यू। और प्रोटीन्स हमारी बोन्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती हैं। मोर ओवर प्रोटीन्स प्रोटेक्ट अस अगेंस्ट द डिजीज, और प्रोटीन्स जो हैं वो हमें डिजीज से भी बचाती हैं। Then nucleic acid are responsible for transmitting genetic information from one generation to another. Then carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are macromolecule defined as polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone. They have general formula CnH2n H2ON. ये इनका जनरल फार्मूला है। और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को हम कहाँ से सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हैं? हम प्लांट से सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हैं थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and green pigment chlorophyll. This is a process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water react together and form glucose, carbohydrate, and molecule of oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in flowers and different plants. The glucose is further polymerized to form starch, and cellulose. Carbohydrates are classified as oligosaccharide, monosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Then monosaccharides. This is the structural formula of glucose, and this is the structural formula of fructose. Monosaccharides, these are the properties of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are white crystalline solids. Their color are white. They are soluble in water and have a sweet taste like sugar. They can't be hydrolyzed. They are reducing in nature, therefore they are called reducing sugar. Then oligosaccharides. This is the equation in which sucrose plus water hydrolyzed to form glucose and fructose in the presence of dilute HCl and heat. Oligosaccharides give 2 to 9 units of monosaccharide on hydrolysis. Therefore, they are classified as disaccharide, trisaccharide, tetrasaccharide, pentasaccharides, and so on. The most important oligosaccharide are disaccharide like sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide, not trisaccharide, not tetrasaccharide. On hydrolysis, sucrose produces 1 unit of glucose and 1 unit of fructose. Like this equation, on hydrolysis, water breakdown, sucrose is converted into glucose and sucrose is converted in one molecule of fructose. Both have same formula C6H12O6. Then oligosaccharide properties. These carbohydrates are white, crystalline solid like sugar, easily soluble in water. They are also sweet in taste. Like monosaccharides, they may be reducing or non-reducing. They all have similar properties. Polysaccharides, example of polysaccharides are starch and cellulose. They are amorphous solid. Amorphous means shapeless. They are not crystalline. They are tasteless and insoluble in water. They are non-reducing in nature. Polysaccharide have different properties than monosaccharide and oligosaccharides. Polysaccharides are macromolecule carbohydrate consisting of 100 to 1000 of monosaccharides. Example of polysaccharides are starch and cellulose. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.